If you want help, then you type mean into the opening line of a new script, and I'll show you how to do that and how to run the script. The easiest way to run a script is by clicking on the end of the code that you just wrote and entering Control-Alt-B. It's useful because you don't have to, you could just highlight all the code and press enter, and that will run the code for you as well. This will save you a lot of time. Another time saver is the reach autocomplete. That's actually operating in RStudio. So if you open the RStudio by clicking on it, this is mine on down here, or it may be on your desktop. Click on it and you should have the screen here. To open a script, you can just click on the plus at the top there, and then you click on our script, and then this is what it should look like. You can then type in, if you wanted some help with mean, it's speech marks, MEN, and then click at the end of it and you press Control-Alt-P, and that will run. And then it opens in this window of the RStudio some information about what that is. So if you look here, the usage, X is an object, so it may be a list of numbers that you want to find the average from. And then you've got dot dot dot, which is various arguments. The ones for this are NA.R is when you don't want to take zero values or the NA values. You don't want to include those in your calculation. Trim is a specific form of mean where it cuts off the extreme values and then calculates the mean of the rest. So it's very similar to the median actually. And X is an R object. So if we wanted a list of values, so if you've got 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3. So if you wanted the mean of those, then you would type in mean of X and then run the code. It will work out the mean of those 4 numbers that you've entered there. So Control-Alt-B, and then we find that the mean is given down here of 16.25.